of facial photoaging. Skin aging involves both chronological aging influenced by human genetics and extrinsic aging mainly caused by UV radiation and smoking. Dermoscopy is a non-invasive diagnostic tool that provides accurate aging assessment sign which may be invisible to the naked eye. Our study aims to investigate and compare the dermoscopic feature of facial photodamage in male and females among various age groups. Additionally, we sought to assess the impact of other factors associated with premature skin aging, notably smoking. To conduct our study effectively, we carried out a descriptive and comparative study involving 174 subjects. We included subjects aged 35 years and older with a minimum daily sun exposure of 1 hour. We excluded subjects with genodermatosis, those receiving medication affecting skin aging, and individuals who had undergone medical aesthetic procedures. A detailed history was established to gather patient data. Each facial area was examined for dermoscopic criteria of photoaging according to Easy Canal. Data analysis was conducted using SPSS 21st version. We divided our sample into two groups based on gender. 50.6% were females and 49.4% were males. Each group was then subdivided by age. 46% of cases were aged 35 to 49 years old, 42% were between 50 to 65 years old, and 12% were over 65 years old. The majority of cases were Fitzpatrick skin type 3 and 4. Regarding the average daily duration of sun exposure, 57% of cases were exposed for 1 to 2 hours, 25% for 2 to 3 hours, and 80% exceeded 3 hours. In our study, the majority of cases were non-smokers, followed by active and former male smokers. Dermoscopic criteria of photoaging observed in our study differed between the sexes. Yellowish discoloration was noted in 37% of females and 46.5% of males. Hyperpigmented macules were identified in 84% of males and 66% of females. Additionally, yellowish papules were observed in 27% of males and 19% of females. As for telangiectasias, they were present in 79% of males and 64% of females. Skin atrophy affected 53.5% of men and 47% of women, while lentigo were observed in 24% of both. A prevalence of 6% for actinic keratosis was observed among men's population, while seen in only 1% of females. As for senile comedones, they were observed in 40% of men and 5.7% of women. Superficial wrinkles were visible in 85% of females and 47% of males, while deep wrinkles affected 71% of men and 58% of women. Our results found that crisscross wrinkles were present in 23% of men and 14% of women. Concerning yellowish discoloration, hyperpigmented macules, telangiectasias, and deep wrinkles, our analysis revealed a significant difference between genders in the group aged between 35 and 49 years old. Regarding subjects aged 50 to 65 years old, men showed a significantly higher prevalence of yellowish discoloration, skin atrophy, and deep wrinkles compared to women. However, females had a higher prevalence of superficial wrinkles. For the group aged 65 years and older, there were no statistically significant difference in the dermoscopic photoaging signs between genders. The last finding reveals a statistically significant difference in the development of senile comedones, yellowish discoloration, deep and crisscross wrinkles among smokers. In our result, we reported an overexpression of the most photoaging signs in men across different age groups compared to women. Our finding aligns with a study conducted in Egypt. The same regarding the first subgroups. The study also noted significant difference in yellowish discoloration, hyperpigmented macules, and deep wrinkles among men compared to women. They also found telangiectasias as a significant additional sign in men. These results could be due to the fact that men may be more exposed to influencing factors such as smoking and outdoor work. Another study conducted in Jakarta in 2022 revealed that among the two genders, aged 50 to 59 years, lentigo, hyperpigmented macules, and deep wrinkles were the most commonly observed. These results contrast with ours, where telangiectasias and skin atrophy were predominant. This could be explained by predominance of phototypes 4 and 5 of their sample, where the impact of melanin on UV absorption is more important. A few studies have explored the difference between men and women aged 65 years and older. In Indonesia, Sukma and al. Found that DPSA score was significantly higher in individuals over 16, regardless of sex. Other studies have shown the roles of smoking in extrinsic aging. Isaac and al. Found that tobacco users exhibited yellowish discoloration regardless of solar exposure, and also had increased prevalence of senile comedones and telangiectasias. Furthermore, Said and al. Observed that yellowish macules, senile comedones, and all types of wrinkles were more predominant among smokers. In conclusion, dermoscopy enables better evaluation and selective detection of early signs of photoaging in both men and women. We recommend larger scale study to assess the effectiveness and preventive and therapeutic anti-aging procedure by using dermoscopy as an evaluation tool. And thank you.